A URL split test is a test where you're not testing just a single element on the page, but you're testing a whole different page. So to do that, you need to create a URL split test. I'm going to call it something like home. And then we need to create the different variants. So each variant is a separate page. When you're creating the first variant is going to be an entry variant. So this is where you should direct all your users to go. And then Optibase is going to decide if it should keep them on the page or if it should redirect them to a different page. So in this case, I'm going to create a variant A, which is going to be the home page. I don't need to connect this variant to anything else because it's already identified through the URL. If I go back and I want to create variant B, I'm going to connect it to the home copy page. So this is a copy of the home page I have created. So here on the left, I can see I have a whole different page as a copy. I create this variant and that's it. So that's the URL split test setup. If I go look at the home copy page, I can see all I have is a different heading at the top, but I can change anything on the page I want. So once the variants are created, you can make the test active. Once the test is active, we need to publish the changes. And once the changes are published, we can visit the website. So we can see, in my case, the Optibase script has decided to keep me on the home page and it didn't redirect me. If I keep refreshing the page, I will keep seeing the same page because we want to have a single user to have a consistent experience. If a different user might show up on this website from a different device, they probably will be redirected. If we go back into the app, we can now see tested user 1. So this is me. I just triggered this event and conversion event 0. So if I go back and I trigger a conversion event, so I've submitted an email, I've triggered the conversion event. If I go back, I can now see conversion event 1. If I scroll down and I click on results here, it's going to take me to the web app where I can see a more detailed version of the results. I can filter by date. I can also see separate events. So I can see each view, when it happened, what URL it came from, and I can see separate conversion events as well.